Welcome all on this video channel JNS Basic Zoology. Today in this video of the fishery science we will discuss about some brackish water lakes. In this video we will discuss about some major brackish water lake, that is Chilka Lake, Pulicat Lake and Kolero Lake. So these are the major brackish water lakes. So let's start by the first lake, that is something. Before that we will discuss something about the brackish water fisheries. So the brackish water area, which is also called as estuarine area. What is estuary? Estuary is a coastal water body. The estuary is formed by where the sea water and land water, that is the river, meet with each other. That is where the sea and land water overlap and mix with each other. That is a particular area which is the transition zone, and that transition zone is called as estuary, and the water of the estuary is also called as brackish water. The water of the estuary, which is also called as brackish water. It is a meeting place of the river, and sea, which is a shallow area, not deep, well oxygenated area, and salinity of this area is in between sea water and river water, that is the salinity is intermediate. In between the fresh water and sea water, the salinity of this area is intermediate. During summer, the salinity of this water is high or increased. pH of this particular estuarine water or brackish water is about 7.5 to 8.3. In between the 7.5 to 8.3, this is the pH of this brackish water. Then about the first brackish water lake, which is a major brackish water lake, that is called as Chilka Lake. So let us discuss about the Chilka Lake. This is the Chilka Lake. It is an open estuary, and this Chilka Lake is one of the largest brackish water lagoon, which is comprises about 906 square kilometer area in summer, and which covers about 1165 square kilometer area at the time of rainy season. This Chilka Lake is located on the east coast of India, near Puri and Ganjam district of the Orissa. Length of this lake is about 65 km and width is about 16 km along the coast. Depth of this lake is about 2.5 meter in summer, which is little increase at the time of rainy season. At the time of flood season, the depth becomes 3.6 meter. This Chilka Lake receives fresh water from several branches, several rivers, several tributaries of the Mahanadi, and opens finally into the Bay of Bengal, and finally meet to the Bay of Bengal. Which type of physico-chemical factors or physico-chemical parameters are found in the Chilka Lake? These are some physico-chemical parameters, major physico-chemical parameters of the water of Chilka Lake. The salinity is between 0.13 to 36.02%. Temperature is around 17.5 to 32, 17.5 to 32 degree Celsius. Diesel oxygen is about 2.6 to 15.6 ppm. pH is between 6.8 to 9.7. Total alkalinity of this Chilka Lake is about 25.8 to 157 ppm. Phosphate ranges between 0.18 ppm and nitrate is about 0.19 ppm. These are some physico-chemical parameters of the Chilka Lake. Then sectors. So this Chilka Lake is divided into 4 sectors for the purpose, divided into 3 sectors, for the purpose of fisheries survey and estimation of fish yield. The total area of Chilka Lake is divided into 3 sectors. These sectors are made for the purpose of survey of this area and to know the estimation of fish yield. The Chilka Lake is divided into 3 sectors: northern sector, central sector and southern. So these sectors having particular major areas like Rambha, Sabulia and Khalikot. These are the centers of the southern sectors. In the southern sector, they are having 3 main these areas or centers. Also, Balugaon, Gangadharpur, these are the centers, main centers of the central sector. And Khuri and Kalu Parghat, these are the main centers of the northern sectors. These are the main sectors in which the Chilka Lake is divided. Which type of fish are found in this Chilka Lake? The fishery of Chilka Lake is very rich. This area consists about 150 different type of fish species and 20 different type of prawn species are found in the water of this Chilka Lake. In that, some important fish species particularly found in this area like Mugil cephalus, Mugil macrolepus, Polynemus, Tetradactylus, Nematolosa, Nasius, Mistus Golio, Hilsa, Pania species and Metapania species of the prawns are also found in this area, which is also included in the fishery. These are the major fish species are found in the Chilka Lake. The annual production of the Chilka Lake is about 3,000 metric tons. Out of that total catch, total netting of the fish, 90% productions are exported in fresh condition and remainders is consumed locally, or some part of this collection is salted and dried. Some of particular type of nets are used in this area, and these nets having some local names. Some local nets are used. In that, basically these nets are divided into 2 major parts, two major types: drag nets and gill net. In that drag net, there is having such a type of nets or gears, that is Patna Jal, Khadi Jal, and gill net having types, different types like Menjia Jal, Bhida Jal, Borago Jal. These are some different type of nets are used for the netting in this Chilka Lake. This is about the Chilka Lake. Then our second brackish water lake to discuss, that is the Pulicat Lake. This is the second largest brackish water lake of India, which is located on the border of Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Area of this Pulicat Lake is about 450 square kilometer in high tide, and 250 square kilometer at the time of low tide. Length of this area is about 60 kilometer and temperature varies between 15 to 45 degrees Celsius. Major river which drains the water in this area, that is Arni, Kalingi, Suvarnamukhi. These are the some major rivers which are drains the water in this area. And finally, this water exchange with the Bay of Bengal. Which type of fish are found in this area? This lake is also rich in fish diversity, mostly marine. Some brackish water fish species are found in this area, that is mullets, catfish are mainly found in this lake. 12,370 fishermen live on full-time fishery in this lake or depend upon this lake. An average production is about 1,200 tons of fish production takes place in this Pulicat lake. Some crustacean production is annually exported, like white and tiger prawns, jellyfish, finfish, crabs. These species are exported. 168 fish species are found mainly in that: Mugil cuneaceus, Mugil dusomeri, Mugil bornensis, bluefish, Barbus dorsalis, catfish, sardine, milkfish. These are found in this particularly area. And third brackish water lake here, that is a Koleru lake. This Koleru lake is located in Andhra Pradesh between Krishna and Godavari Delta, and the area of this Koleru lake is about 245 kilometers surface area, and 42% occupied by the aquaculture. Out of that area, 42% is occupied by the aquaculture. So these are three major lakes which is called as brackish water lakes. So thank you for watching this video.